Today's session is 4 steps to creating a credible online presence. What it takes to create a credible online presence for someone who's starting from scratch. Okay, from someone who wants, because we have all seen in COVID times the necessity to have an online presence or leverage the online world, the digital world, the digital marketing, the solutions available, the tools available for benefit of your business to generate leads or to sell products over e-commerce platforms, whatever it is, right? So it is very important to have a know-how of the digital world and how much. So this whole digital world is like an ocean, and how you have studied so many years of your life to get the foundation of your education, and then you did specialization, graduation. So you spend some 3-4 years to do a specific subject specialization. So digital marketing is like that. So the question is, as an entrepreneur, how much you must know of the digital world? Because if you want to use these platforms to run your business or to get leads for your business, to get sales for your business, or do you want to become an expert in the digital marketing and set up your own agency, right? So if you want to do that, then you have to invest at least 3 to 4 years, 3 to 4 years of daily, as you go to college, to understand this whole digital platform and digital world, digital marketing, SEO, Google AdWord, email marketing, autoresponders, broadcast system, funnel building, marketing campaigns, automation, analytics tool, this, and the learning management system. There's so much, whole gamut of things that you need to master. Okay, so what is important as an entrepreneur? Even if you have some products or services, how much you must know? You must know as much that empowers you to make right choice of your agency, of the people who will do the Facebook campaigns for you, of the people who will do the digital marketing for you, to qualify whether they know their stuff. See, when you are recruiting for your office, right? When you run a business, or even if you are in employment, I am sure you must be in some senior positions right now. So when you recruit for your organization, right, or for your own business, you know what you are looking in the person that you want to recruit, right? But the problem the entrepreneurs or the people who want to leverage the digital world are facing is, you don't even know, when someone says I will do your website, that are they the right are they the right team to build my website? Are they the right team to do my marketing campaigns, right? You don't even know on what basis you should be assessing them before giving your work to them. So what I see the challenge right now is, people, you just say website bana do, and they will implement, they are good at implementation, but that website, the question to ask is that website giving you what you want? First of all, do you have clarity on what you want from your online presence? So I'm starting this session now. So my first question to you is, what is it that you want from your online presence? What are your goals from your online presence? Please type in the chat box. What is it that you want from your online presence? You want to establish yourself as an authority? Do you want to sell your products, physical products? Do you want to create products, digital products? Do you want to generate leads? Do you want more subscribers? Do you want more comments, more engagement? Do you want to build a community? What is your goal from your online presence? Have that clarity first. And when you have the necessary know-how of the language of the digital world, you will be able to qualify people whom you will be outsourcing your work. Okay, so my intent is to help you understand the language of the digital world. Now, some of you know that already because of my 5-day WhatsApp classes, And some of you who are already coming here first time, don't worry, I'll explain you. I'm going to keep, the agenda of this session is different, but you can continue to participate in such sessions and we can talk about that as well, right? So online, how to keep nurturing your, let me see, okay. So how to create digital presence, guidelines for digital entrepreneurship. Suman is saying how to keep nurturing your business. Yes, we'll cover that. That is one of the 4 steps to creating your online presence. I'll cover that. Online presence to promote B2B, B2C businesses. Okay, great, Dinesh. You will also see how you can do that. Okay, we'll be covering that today. Conversions. Conversions. All right, partially we can cover that. Okay, conversions is a topic in itself, but we'll try to cover that partially. Okay, Manoj. Okay, Dinesh is saying qualified leads done. Kathan is saying brand awareness and corporate identity. Okay, brand awareness. So are you already, so because I have a mixed community of people. I have people who are solopreneurs, who are knowledge givers, teacher, trainer, coaches, consultants. I also have people who are employed here. I also have people who are in business. I also have people who want to build their own brand. I also have people who want to start their business from scratch. So I have to make sure that I'm catering to the needs of all of you. Very diverse group I have here. Okay. So brand awareness, corporate identity. Now, I mean, are you looking for a personal brand, or are you trying to establish the brand of your business, or are you trying to establish the brand wherever you are employed? So I need little more details from you, Kathan, on that. Okay. Balaji is saying to learn end-to-end digital presence and earn a second income. Okay. Earn a second income will come later. Let's see how to build a credible online presence. We will definitely be doing that. Building and influencing community, selling and marketing product. Yes, that's the, thank you so much for that. But today's agenda is how to create a credible online presence, because outcome of that will be your community creation and nurturing. Okay. And outcome of that, when you nurture and create a community, would be sales of your product and services, right? So okay, so that brings us to the first step to creating a credible online presence is strategizing your online presence. And the first question to ask there is, what is my goal from my online presence? Okay, ask that question. What is your goal? I said, right? Do you want to generate leads, free leads, quality leads, paid leads? Do you want more subscribers on your channel? Do you want more fans, followers? Do you want customers? Are you selling your product directly? So what is strategize? The first step in strategizing is defining your online goals, right? Aditya says he wants to establish himself as an authority. Great. So what it takes to establish yourself as an authority, we will cover that. Okay. Balaji wants to create online courses. Great. And Balaji, if you're a first timer, you should join my 5-day WhatsApp class, which I do. I don't know if you were, because you said first timer. So that the focus of those sessions is knowledge, digitization, monetization, and marketing, completely the full business model. Okay. Now this session is anyone who wants to create a credible online presence, whatever your products or services, and whatever your online goal. Okay, what it takes to create an amazingly powerful online presence, credible online presence. Whole online thing is like, I call it like it's a giant wheel. Okay, you being able to leverage the online world for yourself is like you trying to, rotate a giant wheel. Okay, so a giant wheel first, it's a giant flywheel. Okay, if you have to rotate it in the beginning, you have to put lot of effort, lot of power, and then it starts gaining momentum. It starts gaining movement, little bit of movement. Okay, and when it gains sufficient movement, it becomes a momentum. And when it gains momentum, it flies on its own, it runs on its own, right? For some time. And when it is running on its own, a little bit push also will keep the momentum on. But in the beginning, it is like a, there's a lot of daily disciplined, consistent effort in right direction, strategized with the goals that you have in mind, having the necessary automation systems and tools will help you rotate this giant wheel step by step, until it gains some movement, and then nurturing the movement that you have got by giving massive value to the people, to your people who you have pulled through your online presence, giving them massive value, delighting them with your offerings, then it becomes a momentum, and then your community itself promotes you, and that's how you build a brand, personal brand. That's how the brands are built, because consistently you will have to deliver a promise, a value that you are standing for, right? Most importantly, the number one step is having an online office address.